Hello guys, I am back with another simple style, no cornrows crochet braids. Like I said in my first video this summer, I will be trying many styles. I will try and do a lot of no cornrows crochet braids. I just want to rock simple styles this summer. And then you can see my hair. You know Freedomstyles is back with her hair again. The shrinkage is real. You guys will say, Freedom, go and comb your hair. For this time, I needed not to comb my hair properly. I will just go ahead and section out a little bit, spray in leave-in conditioner on my scalp because my scalp is very sensitive. I will try and section the hair into 5 portions or 4 like this. What I will do now is just to use a rubber band tie, and I will twist and then make a knot. It's like I will be doing puff puff, easy puff puff. Just watch, you will follow up very simple style. If you can't braid, this video is for you. Very easy. And I usually keep my no cornrows crochet braids for only 2 weeks. 2 weeks. And a lot of people also ask, if you are to lose the head, you need to cut the extensions. No. At the end of this video, I will also be showing you guys how to lose the no cornrows crochet braids. You don't actually need to just waste the hair. You can unravel the hair easily. That is the reason why I said when knotting it, make sure you knot very soft, not tight, so that it will be very easy for you to lose. The hair I will be using is Mali hair, Afro Mali hair. I will be using only 1 pack. I will just cut 1 pack into 2 sections, stretch the tips, and it's done. If you want more volume, you can use 2 packs or 1.5 pack. Because it's summer, I don't want something too full or too bulky. fluffy, the hair is going nowhere. I will just try to fluffy the back up a little bit like this, because I used only 1 pack. If you want more volume, use 2 packs or 1.5 pack. You can see the back, and a very simple style. You can see how it looks on me. So cute, just cute style, easy style, less than 20 minutes hairstyle. And if you can't braid, this style is for you. Try it. Just try and tie the back a little bit like this to create another style at the back. Look, so simple. Very easy style for summer. I will try and do more of this kind of styles this summer, because I just want to rock a lot of no cornrows crochet braids. How to unravel the hair when crocheting the hair. Make sure it's very soft, not it only once. You can see very easy to unravel, and you can actually reuse the hair if you want. And I'm going to keep the no cornrows this style for 2 weeks, only 2 weeks. You can see I can reuse the hair if I want, if I unravel the hair. What I will do now, if I am to go to bed, if I am to sleep, is to tie the hair all back like this. Use a band to secure it at the back. Put on a sack bonnet like this, and ready to go to bed. I hope you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed a few minutes. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.